morning class. I hope you all are fine at your home. Please stay at your home and be safe. Okay. So class, welcome to the science world. In your previous class, we have discussed about birds and different features of birds, that birds have their different shape of beaks on the basis of their different feeding habit. Birds have wings, birds have feathers, birds have different type of feet. Okay, and we have also discussed about some special feature of birds, and today we will discuss about caring for birds and animals. Okay, like us, birds also need caring. Birds are very important part of our environment. Okay, so first we will discuss about parental care of birds. Like our parents, the parents of small birds also protect their young ones. When birds are in the form of eggs, their parents sit on the egg so that they keep them warm. The chick grows inside. After some time, when the birds give them warmth, the chick grows inside and the eggs hatches after some days. In most birds, both parents look after their chicks, feed them and also protect them from dangers. Parents of small birds also protect them from dangers. They feed them, they protect them and they look after them. Okay, now we will discuss about the caring for birds and animals. Like animals, birds also need to be looked after, especially during this hot summer month. During summer season, birds also feel very hot, so we have to take care of them. We can do different type of activity to provide them water. Okay, like placing birds baths in open places around the houses and gardens are one way of helping thirsty birds. During summer season, we can do different type of activity like placing bird baths in our garden and in any open place to help the thirsty birds. Now, what is bird baths? As you can see on your screen, small container which contain water. Birds drink water, bath and cool themselves in these bird baths. Okay, and they feel very happy. Along with bird bath, we should also place trays containing seeds to feed hungry birds. Such trays are called bird feeders. As you can see on your screen, we can also make bird feeder at your home. And what is bird feeder? Bird feeder is a small container which contains different food of the birds, so the bird can eat. Okay, so these are two very important tasks which we can do for birds. Like we can make bird bath and bird feeder. Okay, you should take care of your pets in the following ways. Feed your pet regularly. If you have pet at your home, you have to feed them regularly. Like us, they also need food. You should clean and bath your pet regularly. Keep their home clean. Birds cannot make their home clean by itself, so you have to clean their home. Do not be cruel to animals. Never hit them. Take them to veterinary doctor if they are sick. Okay, so these are small care you can do for your pet. That's all for today. Thank you.
10. The care of animals and birds. The care of animals and birds. There are different kinds of animals and birds in our surroundings. Given below are the reasons why we should take care of animals and birds. 1. Animal wealth. We get milk, wool, and eggs from some animals. Besides, animals like donkeys, bulls, horses, and camels are used as means of transport. 2. Other uses. The dogs guard our homes. The cats kill the rats and mice. Some birds eat insects. So we are much relieved from the nuisance of rats and insects. Suggestions for the care of the animals and birds. 1. Proper arrangements should be made to keep domestic animals safely. Coops and stables should be provided for them. 2. Stables and coops should be cleaned regularly. 3. The domestic animals should be bathed regularly. 4. Care should be taken during the summer, winter, and the monsoon season. They should be protected from heat in summer and covered with sacks, etc., to give them warmth during the winter season. 5. They should be vaccinated to protect them against various diseases. 6. They should be given sufficient nourishing food and pure drinking water. 7. They should be taken out daily in open spaces to move about freely. 8. Avoid thrashing the domestic animals unnecessarily.